How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I am at Bangkok Auto Salon and there is a car meet happening right outside the show. I wanted to show you all the cars in this general area, and there's more cars ahead of me. But before we get into that, if you do me a huge favor, go hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Definitely would appreciate it. And if you could also follow our socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, links are in the description below. Let's get into this. So if you didn't know, there's a lot of car events in Thailand. One of the top ones I just happened to be in town for is Bangkok Auto Salon, here with my cousin Beam and his manager Nick. Their cars are on display here at the show. If you watch the previous episode, you get to see their cars there at the show. What I wanted to cover was the cars here out on the outside area. This rotates every single day, and the day that I'm here, they have a whole bunch of cool different cars that you normally don't get to see stateside, and style of builds that a little unique. So yeah, just doing a full walkthrough of the show. This is some really cool cars. Here in Thailand, a little more common. I don't see these every day, so these are definitely catching my eye. A lot of old school Celicas here. You rarely see these stateside anymore. Have a Toyota Corolla. These were really popular when I was a kid here in Thailand. Seeing these now are pretty rare. This one's using a lot of stateside, I would say, eBay parts. But still kind of cool. Has a full cage setup and everything. I don't know what the engine has. CHR with a wrap. Here is a Lexus GS. Thrower. This one's a street car with some Reparos. Not bad. Let's see what else they have here in this section. Corolla 11s here. For you Toyota truck fans. Some Work Weissers. And 2J engine. Beautiful. The Toyota truck. This one's got all the very clean. Trucks are very popular here in Thailand. They do all sorts of crazy stuff, especially the diesel ones. We'll see if there's any out over there, but let's cover what's over here right now. Got the Celica Club here out. Really nice. Good spoiler. I haven't seen that in a very long time. Yep, Toyota MRS with a conversion. Pretty interesting conversion kit. All of these are pretty well done. Overall, not bad. I'd give it like a 5 or 6 out of 10. The panel gaps, I think, are bad from the mold, because I'm not saying anything bad about it. I'm just looking at the quality, fit, and finish, everything. All three cars share the same similar issues. But still pretty cool. They're little mock-ups of other cars here, some MRSs. You don't see these very often stateside anymore either. So really nice to see. This one's got a Subaru livery. Okay. Ooh, check this out. Super clean. And then check out what else they have here. Have a A80 Supra, A90, 86, and a K4. This was here the other night during load-in. I don't know why it's not in the show. I guess it's one of the guys that his other car is inside the show, and I guess he's driving this in every day. Pretty sweet. I'll go ahead and check out what's over in the parking lot. All right, here over at the Honda meet, it's not a full parking lot, but they have some cool projects here. Starting off here with this brand new FL5, pretty stock. They have a Series E, Workmeisters, spoon calipers, bridge seats. I think they're fake bridge seats. The carbon vinyls that get dead giveaway. Has a S2000 here. These are considered very rare in Thailand. They don't officially import them, so they're all pretty much gray marketed in. Here is another Type R, pretty clean. This is Nick's daily driver. Bags, Cosmos wheels. He's obviously a custom paint job. It's not a wrap. Their car was originally the solid gray color. Have a UG right here. Workmeister S1Rs has a little old school livery going on here. Pretty cool. Keep going. EK Coupe. Regamasters. G. Oh, this one's pretty nice. I think these are, yep, rep TEs. So, right here, nice clean. EK, all spooned out. Have another EK coupe. Yeah, there's some pretty nice projects here. The turnout, I guess, wasn't as good as they were expecting. There's a lot of pre-registered, a lot of people dropped out from my understanding, but it's okay. Still cool stuff to check out. Just as an FYI, if you see any cars that look like they have fake TEs, probably are fake or fake working clips like this one. Has stickers from 3 different wheel brands. Not trying to sound negative, I'm just giving you the reality. Because somebody in the comments that say, oh, why are you showing off cars with fake, with rep wheels? That's not me. I'm just here covering the event. But of course, there's always some pretty clean cars here at the show. Obviously not all the cars are clean, but there's a couple of clean ones floating around here at the meet. This thing, whoo, seen better days. Fake Nismo wheels, fake BBS wheels. But hey, Joey, remember this? This car looks familiar. It looks like somebody else's car that I know. Hold on a second. Not rotiforms? Clear taillight trend here in Thailand is pretty popular. Sawadee krab. here in the parking lot for a Honda day. Got a couple Honda Fit slash Jazz, depending on what you want to call it. Saw this driving around on the way in. Two more cars I want to cover. Reps. So, not trying to be negative, but you can tell this is reps. Instead of made in Japan, they switch it around to design in Japan. And there's a couple markings that shouldn't be there, even on this generation of TE, big TEs, but yeah. Just to point it out to you guys, not trying to talk smack or be negative, it's just the reality of it. Reps here in Thailand are done pretty well. So for most general people, they can't tell the difference. I can see it just about a mile away because I sell this stuff. So, but yeah, that's just so you can see it. Here is a pretty clean EG. On some R&Rs, vegan R&Rs. Nice, clean, simple. This has been the in thing, obviously in the stateside for a very long time. I call it reliving your high school years car. But yeah, that's the Honda car meet. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. If you got any suggestions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. It's getting pretty loud. The AC system's right on the other side of here. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, you guys take care. It's super hot, so I'm gonna go indoors and cool off, and the camera's about to overheat. Until next time, you guys take care. See you on the next episode.